Hello everyone and welcome to Select by Pink Villa. This is me, Paramita Rana, and today I will be testing and reviewing a newly launched lipstick by Mamaearth in our segment First Impressions. P.S. This is not a sponsored video. Mamaearth has been surprising me with their skincare and hair care line, and all their products are made safe. So I'm so excited to see which makeup product they're gonna launch next. And also I have been using Mamaearth's shampoo and conditioner, which is pretty decent, but talking about the hair mask, it didn't quite suit my hair. So moving on, let's review about their newly launched Mamaearth Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick with avocado oil and vitamin E. Now, avocado oil is very moisturizing and hydrating to the skin. It also consists of fatty acids, and talking about vitamin E, it is natural antioxidant to the skin. And here it's also said that it helps prevent pigmentation. It also says that it's smudge-proof, comfortable wear, dermatologically tested, 8-hour moisture lock, made safe, and 12-hour long stay. So there are lots of components in this lipstick. So this is the packaging. It is super cute. It has a small white ribbon down here and you can pull it up. It's like a gift package, like a Christmas gift package. And as you can see, this is not your typical bullet kind of lipstick. It is like sleek and straight. And also there are like some information written in here which says, "We plant goodness. We've pledged to make the earth a greener place." That's nice, environment friendly, I love it. And with your love, we've planted more than 150,000 trees and adding more each day. Wow, that is such a good initiative. I love it, Mamaearth. And when I open it, you have to roll it up like that, and it's a beautiful, beautiful 02 Plum Punch. It is a very rich maroon reddish type of color, and its price is 499 rupees. So I'm going to evaluate this lipstick on 3 points. Number 1 being the pigmentation, number 2 being whether it's smudge-proof or not, and number 3 the longevity, since it promises 12-hour stay on the lips. But for the longevity, I will let you guys know when I'm back home in the evening whether this lipstick is still on my lips or not. So before applying this lipstick, I'm going to remove the lip shade which I have now, and I'll be back soon. Hi guys, so I'm back. Now first, before I apply this on my lips, I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. Okay. It seems like it's not too matte and not too glossy lipstick, but I can't say anything now, so let me apply on my lips. Okay, so I've finished applying my lipstick. I love it. I love the shade. It's like a deep maroon shade. Plum Punch 02. I love it. Not too oily or moisturized. It's the perfect balance, but it's still matte. And I just love this color so much. So here I have a tissue paper. Let's see. Okay, wow, I'm so impressed. It's giving me the same performance as matte lipsticks, and I'm surprised how just a little amount of lipstick is here on the tissue paper. I love the shade, I love the pigment, I love the texture, and it's smudge proof. Now the only thing we're yet to see is if it's 12-hour long stay or not. For that, I'm gonna see you guys at night. Hi guys, so right now it's 9 p.m. and I had applied this lipstick at 4 p.m. So it has been 5 hours now, and as you can see, the lipstick is still intact, and I'm about to eat now. I'm about to eat my dinner, so bon appetit! So I just finished having my dinner, but still below these layers, it's still intact. Hi guys, it's literally 12:30 a.m. in the morning. This lipstick is giving. Mama Earth, damn, you have given us the perfect matte lipstick. It's smudge proof, it's transfer proof, and this too only got faded because I ate oily food. Otherwise, if I hadn't eaten any kind of severe oily food, my lips would have been perfect, intact. I love it. I love it so much. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.